Hello friends, welcome to my channel Natural Beauty Secrets. Today I am going to show you an easy face pack with lemon and honey for acne removal. You will see the difference just from the first use. So my ingredients are half a lemon, rose water, this one is optional, and honey. So at first I am going to add lemon juice to the rose water since I am very allergic to lemon. For people who have oily skin and natural skin, they can apply the lemon juice directly. Next, apply this lemon juice on your face post-wash. It might tingle and burn a bit and you won't love it, but it will absolutely work. Here I have already diluted the lemon juice with rose water to decrease the acidity. This is a very effective face pack for people who have really bad acne. Next, leave it on for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, follow up with honey. Apply honey on the face which you have already applied lemon juice. This helps moisturize as honey is humectant. You can leave honey on your face however long you want to. Now I am going to leave it for a while. After some time, wash it off with cold water. You will see that your skin will glow and become acne free in a couple of weeks. If you want, you can apply this pack to your hands and also to your legs, as this pack not only removes acne but also gives you a natural glow. Next, pat dry your hand. Honey face packs with lemon are the best of the best pack. Lemon juice is acidic and citric. It bleaches your skin and helps you get rid of scars and tan. Follow this tip for 2 times a week. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, do hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe my channel Natural Beauty Secrets to get more amazing natural beauty tips. Thank you. Bye bye.